To add event into the Google Calendar on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all, you will have to open the app drawer and go into the Google Calendar. So now, click on the right bottom corner on the plus and select event. Right now, you can add the title. You can pick the different account, set as events or family, and you can also enable it for the all day or set specific time like start time, end time, and for sure date, so you can pick any date from the calendar. Oh, you can also change the region and the time zone, and you can set repeat. You can get it every day, week, month, year, or the custom one. Right here you can also add people if you want, add video, conference, add location, so you can grant permission into location. You can change the color, how it will be actually viewed in the calendar. You can add description, add attachment, some files from the phone storage, and you can get the default visibility. So you can set it as a private or public and click save in the right upper corner. And right now it will be visible when you open your calendar. So as you can see, the event is set right here. So thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.